Welcome to West Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली जावूद आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all my childhood memory that in school time when we used to go for picnic, my mom used to cook for us and give as a picnic dabba this cocktail sausage pulao. Yes, for me and my siblings, she used to make this. We used to have not a lot of money that those days to have take snacks and sandwiches and all, but yes, mother used to make this sausage pulao, cocktail sausage pulao, and we used to relish it. So I've taken this from Alen's, okay, because she used to get those days also Alen's, and I found this Alen's in the market, Mapsa market, and I said let me also bring up my memories back. So yes, so I'm going to use this whole packet for 2 cups of Basmati rice, pulao rice, that is Daawat Rozana Basmati rice, and I have washed it and soaked it for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to bring twist in this cocktail sausage pulao with some Tendlis, Goan Tendlis, which I just got from our garden now, and I'm going to use this. I will cut this. Then we need some allspices. If you don't have this allspice of plant, you can order it on online Amazon, they are selling it, or you can use our normal allspices, that is like pepper, then cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. You can use around 2 to each, and a cinnamon stick is a small piece of stick you can use, but this one allspice has got all the flavors, even the nutmeg flavor is there. So I'm going to use this too. It's very delicious. Then I will be adding 2 onions and 3 tomatoes like this. So it is like small 1 and 2 this. Some curry leaves. Then I will be adding little bit of lime juice. Then this I will grind to fine paste. So this is turmeric, raw turmeric. Then this much ginger and around 6 flakes of garlic. So I will grind this along with green chilli. So this will come for our pulao. So let's start, and around 2 teaspoon of oil is needed to saute this, and water I have kept ready, that is 4 cup. For 2 cup, 4 cup of water. So this is my measuring cup for rice also and for water also. Let's start. So this is 200 gram packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have added 2 teaspoon of oil, and now we will add, first thing is our allspices leaf, so we get the flavor. So 2 I will leave like this, and 1 in the rice. Then we'll add our curry leaves too in that. And our ginger, garlic and turmeric paste. And chili. Now we will add our onions and fry this nicely. We will fry this very nicely. Now we will add our Tendlis. Tendlis are optional. Now we will add our tomatoes. And the cocktail sausages. Cover and cook on low flame for a few minutes. Now we will add water to this and give a boil. Or we will boil means khatkato kariya. So yeah. So let it boil for some time nicely, then we will add our rice. Konkarin muta खतखतो येवनी बरें भशेन उदकाक खतखतो येवनी. So now we are getting boil for this what we are cooking now. This are sausages. So आता बरो खतखतो येलो. आता आमी झाकून घेवया आनी मीठ घालया. So we'll just taste and add salt accordingly to your taste. Less salt is always good, but salt to taste is awesome. Now let's add our rice to this. Mix nice and let it cook till our cocktail sausages, Goan cocktail sausages pulao is ready. Squeeze the lime juice. Cover and cook on low flame. At this point I will keep this also on top and cover. Okay, now on the low flame. So now we'll put off the gas and we'll keep this covered like this only, and I will show you the final result later. Thank you. So here is our Goan cocktail sausage pulao is ready, and now we will serve this nicely. And this is our Mexican coriander leaves, again homegrown. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much.
And here it is, yummy and tasty Goan Cocktail Sausage Arroz.